This is Module 6, Closing Out a Project for Super PACs. Closeout checklist includes: assure that all work has been completed. All agreed upon project management processes have been executed. Formal recognition of the completion of the project. Obtaining approval by the project sponsor and customer for the work that was completed. Assessing whether or not the necessary project management processes have been applied. Capturing of the lessons learned, what was done well, and what could have been done better. Successfully closing out a project. A project can either be closed out or terminated. It's important to remember that a project can be terminated at any point of the project, not just at the end. I would successfully close out Super PAC's project by completing the following: developing closing procedures, complete contract closures, verify project scope requirements, gain formal acceptance, submit the formal performance report, conduct post-project or phase-end review, archive all relevant project documents, document lessons learned, and finally hand off the completed project. The closeout process to be used. The Super PACs project was right on schedule in terms of distribution dates, materials used, and staying within budget. This project also achieved all aspects of the contract within the U.S. military. The closeout termination process used was addition, which means it becomes a part of the organization. The project is added to the company. For instance, the project could be successful that instead of disbanding the team, they become a formal part of the company's operations. The project is terminated, but the work team now becomes a part of the original chart or hierarchy. This is a scenario for Super PACs. The project was successful and the team became part of the company's operations. Control process. The control process that will be used to ensure the project's qualities are met will include the following: establishment of standards, measurement of performance, compare performances, collect the data, analyze the data, taking corrective actions, compare actual performance with standards and identify any deviations, and lastly, determine the reasons for the deviations.